Good day from the office of the Mob Justice Football. Another incredible journey by Stellenbosch FC has come to an end in the CAF Confederation semi-final as they bow out to the Simba that goes through to the final of the CAF Confederation. Just wanted to say to this bunch of unknown players, bunch of inexperience with little or very limited budget, you have done yourself. You must be very, very, very proud of what you have achieved into the African continental football. Your journey was that amazing. Of the team that was stripped some of the key players at the beginning of the season, but you managed to fight very hard and make sure that you represent the country with the highest level of dignity. Stellis, you have done so well. That's why it was adamant for some of your key players to form part of the national team. Forward Basadin, a number of them. You did well. I wish you can come back again into the continental football and represent our country. I think next year, both CAF Champions League and CAF Confederation is going to be exciting because you have set the bar so high that even young players, as they come into the market, they'll be able to look very high and stand very tall and claim the glory that they are destined for. We are proud of you, Stephen Barker. Against all odds, against bad start into the group stages, you have outdone yourself. Experience acquired, and I do believe that your experience can be of very, very, very much important into the Stellenbosch and other team that will need the same expertise that you bring into the table. Kudos to the boys, kudos to the management for taking this journey with pride, less talk, less complaints, as you try to balance both Betway, CAF Confed, and a number of competition that you have played. You've played MTN, you've played Carling, you've played Nedbank. Whoever forgot your a remarkable journey as you bow to Orlando Pirates in the MTN 8 final. You must be very proud of yourself and all the sponsors that are involved there. Rama as well. Kudos to Stellis. From the office of the Mob Justice Football, you are recognized.